Hi everybody, we're looking at ionic compounds in this video. For those of you that were there on Friday, I went through this in class. So ionic compounds, which is different to metallic compounds. So our learning goals are to look at the common properties of ionic compounds, so their brittleness, hardness, all their other properties, and be able to explain those relative to how they are made, the nature of their bonding and their structure, and also the uses of ionic compounds. So what are the ionic compounds? You can see here that there's a number of ionic compounds. That one's sodium chloride. You can see it's white crystalline powder. We've got other ones such as copper sulfate, which is blue powder because it's got the transition metal in it. All of these are ionic compounds. We have a metal bonded to a non-metal. Writing ionic formulas you will have been doing since Year 9. The cross method, we write the two ions, which you have been learning. They go down the slides, they lose their signs. So aluminium 3 plus O2 minus becomes aluminium 2, oxygen 3. So that's for two ions. Now if we've got a polyatomic ion, like this one, polyatomic just means that there's more than one atom in the ion structure. See, O and H are bonded together and together they have an extra electron. They are polyatomic. We do the same thing here. The magnesium 2 plus comes down to here. The oxygen OH minus goes down over here. And you can see we get magnesium hydroxide. We need to put the brackets in because it's not just the hydrogen we've got two of, it's the oxygen and the hydrogen, both of them. You'll see as well that the OH is 1 minus, and just like we don't write 1x, we don't write Mg1. Okay, let's go on to the next one. There is a video there that you can watch that shows more of them. Okay, you can see there are more examples there. 2 comes across, that 1 comes down, and because it's a 1 it's cancelled, and that whole thing, because it's a polyatomic ion, we put it in brackets and have 2. Okay. Learn your ions. Okay. There's a picture there showing how the electrons are transferred. So the aluminium, which has 3 outer shell electrons, gives its electrons to the sulfur that wants it. If we look down at the next one here, we've got some videos of the polyatomic ions. But in these, electrons are transferred. So the aluminium metal gives its electrons to the anion, which in that other example was sulfur. Okay, learn your ions. There's a Quizlet there to practice. If we look here, we've talked about these properties before. And there's questions to do, please. Page 101, questions 1 to 4, and page 104, questions 1 to 3. Okay. I'll stop the video there. Thanks, everybody.